Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the future of travel with the all-new RV Camper 2026, a machine designed not just to move you from one place to another, but to completely transform the way you experience the road. From the very first glance, the 2026 RV Camper makes a bold statement. Its aerodynamic body, sleek LED lighting, and modern front profile give it a premium automotive look rather than a traditional bulky motorhome design. This isn't just an RV, it's a luxury suite on wheels. Every curve is engineered for efficiency, reducing drag and improving fuel economy, while maintaining a powerful road presence that turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The interior is designed with a contemporary, high-end finish featuring soft ambient lighting, premium upholstery, and smart space utilization. The living area feels open and inviting, thanks to panoramic windows that bring in natural light and create a seamless connection with the outdoors. Whether you're parked beside a mountain range, a beach, or in the middle of a forest, this RV ensures the view becomes part of your living space. The kitchen is fully equipped with next-generation appliances, including a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and ample storage cabinets. Everything is positioned for comfort and efficiency, allowing you to cook just like you would at home. The dining area easily converts into additional sleeping space, making it perfect for family trips or group adventures. In the sleeping quarters, comfort takes priority. The master bed is designed with premium cushioning and smart storage compartments underneath. Climate control systems ensure the perfect temperature in any season, while advanced insulation keeps the interior quiet and peaceful, no matter where you park. Technology is where the 2026 RV Camper truly shines. It comes equipped with a fully integrated smart control system that allows you to manage lighting, temperature, water levels, and entertainment directly from a touchscreen panel or your smartphone. Solar panel integration and advanced battery storage provide energy independence, giving you the freedom to explore off-grid destinations without sacrificing comfort.